This is insane. The fan just kicked on at 220, and that's normal for this car. I just found right here, I do have a coolant temp gauge right there at 223. God damn, that's hot. 225, and I think the fan's gonna kick on. It's gonna go down. No, we're still going high. That's alarming. 228. Oh my god. That's freaking hot. It says it operates between 215 and 225. And the high side fan kicks on at 230. Oh, it just went down to 226. 226, and we got one fan on, or the low speed. That's insane. The noise, I got the fan on and everything. The noise is coming from the tensioner. The blower's quiet. $222. That's freaking different. Intercooler pump is intercooling. And we got, yeah, 226, 228. Come on, 230. And the second command relay is still off. There they go. 231, 230. I definitely feel the fans now. That's insane. Now it's maintaining 230. Dude, that is hot as hell. That means this heater is gonna work fucking tits in the winter time. 232. The only upgrade is a Mishimoto radiator. 231.8. $235. That's hot. And this is cold. God damn it. It's hot as hell over here. $235.4. Oh my god, though. Alright. 237. 135. That is insane how much a difference it is on this side. Because this hose is still cold. I wonder if the thermostat is getting stuck. Whew. Okay, got a little worried. Thermostat finally opened. Now it's warm right here. Holy hell. Alright, that side's warm. That's extremely hot. Shut it off, turned it on, and went to 220. I revved it to get water pump flow, and then it started to go down. So literally right when I shut it off, the thermostat opened. 195.8. Alright, we should chill around here. Yeah, it's not going to go anywhere else. Oof. Holy hell, that was scary. Okay. Yeah, we're chilling.